Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. I just want to share this video with you. I saw this video from a mega gift official, his S handle, and he said that it is funny anyway, but let me just share it with you. As you can see the video, this video is about what a DOS, IPOB, Nigeria, as most of us prefer to call them, what they have done. As everybody is talking about freedom, way forward on how to, free ourselves, our people, to liberate our land from invaders, from Fulanis, attack and plans of Osman Danfodio to grab land for Fulani people in Sahel to take Nigeria or, Biafra land, every part of Nigeria, as part of their own country, official country of Fulanis. That's the target. Everybody is trying to lay hand on something to free ourselves. To what can we do? DOS decided to do this. This video you're watching now is not AI. It is it is real. Okay, he said, in a bid to continue creating global awareness, IPOB launches support Biafran referendum cap. Plan to flood America, Asia plan to flood America and Asia. I thought they have also planned to do that in Europe. But let's see. What he said, what do you think? What my people, I want to what do you think about it? But before then, let me say this. You see, if you don't have anything to do or to say about the freedom of your people, what you can do to liberate people, and you choose to tackle those that are doing something, when the space is being open for you to, okay, show us what you can do. If you are being given this opportunity to lead, what would you have done differently? Do you think that you have something to offer and you say yes, that's why you are attacking those who are doing something? Now do something. Of all the things that people can lay hands on to start, liberating our people, DOS have not let go creating awareness. And the awareness they're talking about is a way of making money. I don't know if it's creating awareness or creating source of income, because they are two different things. You decided to create awareness for Biafran self-referendum by launching a cab. Cab is just like taxi, or maybe Uber as a company. So you have that kind of or both. You open a cab, a company like that, and paint it Biafran flag, and in the body of the car you see support Biafran referendum. So have you initiated this referendum? Like, what are you doing for that referendum to come? Nothing, right? And you think that bringing cab and put this right up that support Biafra referendum will make international community to say, okay, my son, saw this cab and he bought in, and it was very nice. The driver was okay, and when you check the cab, we found that the name of this cab is the support Biafra referendum. So what they will not say, okay, let us go and search the meaning of Biafra referendum. How many of you have said the meaning of Uber or Grab or name it? A lot of both company, of course. Another one is both. I don't know what you have in your country, where you live and where you're residing. But what I'm trying to say is that how many of you have map out time to go and search the meaning of the name of the cab that you are using in your country of residence? These people cannot turn their eyes away from source of income, making money. You launch this cab is a good thing, but to have only this thing and believe that you are creating something is laughable. Very, very laughable. No country will listen to you. I don't know who is deceiving these people. This is how they believe that carrying flag from place to place we make an international community to say, okay, let us fulfill the oil that we are transacting with Nigeria. Let us not talk about anything again. Let us just focus on how to give them freedom, really, without you doing something to free yourself. You have to start by this. And when somebody, that's another part, when someone or some of us decide to do something, they will be in the front line to criticize the person, call the person name, signing petition to arrest and to jail someone. Have they designed any petition for for referendum, not even self-referendum? The answer is no. But they know the importance of signing petition when it comes to arrest or detain their fellow brother for for fighting the same thing they claim they want to use their business, their cab business to achieve. These people can only deceive those who allow them to be deceived. If you allow them to deceive you, they will deceive you, of course, because you are the one that opened the door for them to do that. Everything they are saying, everything they are doing, they know it. If not, tell me, how can they sit down, plan and invest their money purchasing cars and paint that cars with this support Biafra referendum? Some of you may see it as a good thing. No, DS and IPOB, they are doing something. No. Remove monetary aspect of it and tell me how serious they are in talking about freedom of Biafra. Everything is about money. So launching CAB can only be, supported or have my support if you have other things that you are doing, and this one is part of just one of it. If maybe the Biafran Prime Minister decides to do this kind of thing, I will say yes, I support it, because he's doing something else that is, that is calling the attention of the world. That look, so something is going on here, so something is going on there. But our people, US, they are the one that championed the arrest of the Biafran Prime Minister. They are the one. So how can you take some people serious? They celebrated it, just like Joe Igbo celebrated the arrest of Pastor Monokan. How many of you are aware of it? After the boss celebrated the arrest of Pastor Monokan, or the kidnap of Pastor Monokan is a kidnap, not even arrest. These individuals, they came out publicly to celebrate those things. And when you see them celebrating it, they will still want you to believe that they are for that thing they kicked against. How can you justify that? It is not possible. It must be somewhere. You cannot be up and down at the same time, or other men like that. Now, this idea of car business that they decided to venture into is something that we already know that US love to do. They love to use the Biafran flag to make money, protesting, in the streets of Europe, in the streets of America, in some places, thinking that that is the only way to make Biafrans to think that somebody somewhere is doing something peacefully for their liberation. There is no way you liberate yourself peacefully. You can only bring peaceful approach, but on the other hand, you are ready to, war with them, those that are going to resist you. But this idea of no, rule out everything war and focus on peaceful movement, it sounds good. Yes, it sounds very, very good. But is it, possible to actualize? I don't think so. You have not done. Maybe you can only see that in Circle of the White, like from white countries, like the one we saw what happened in, Scotland, when they want to leave England. I think there is Scotland, right? They organized a referendum, and after the referendum, some people decided to stay. So that one is understandable. Can you see that in Africa? No. Do you know that one of the reasons why Nigerian government or Nigeria as the entity is the way it is, because they did not fight to have their independence. It was given to them peacefully without negotiation, and the condition was met that so things will be going to us, and they agreed. That is why today Britain still have upper hand, in Nigeria, and they're not going to let go, because the worst thing that happened to Nigeria is the kind of independence they got. The independence that is not fully, independent. It is better for you to have a colonial master that is official that this person is you under colonization, and it will be more reasonable enough for people to see, okay, things are not going the way it's supposed to go because of colonial masters. But once you are being given the kind of independent Nigerian God, you don't have any excuse. Only those that have critical can think critically will understand the problem that you'll be facing. Many will not understand it. Many would have understood it very, very well if they have not, if colonial masters are still the way, controlling everything the way they used to, then it will have been better than what you have at the moment. Let me not waste much of your time. Just like this video and subscribe to the channel. Very, very important that you do so. Tell me what you think about it, and see you again. Bye bye for now.